Hello, this is Kevin with KLM Audio. Welcome to my 15th video on the Behringer X32 rack mixer. Today we'll be discussing in-ear monitors using the Shure PSM300 transmitter with two body packs, allowing for two separate mixes on stage. Make sure you're connected to the iPad using X32 Mix and to the computer using X32 Edit. If you need help turning on your system and connecting to your iPad, please refer back to my first video. And of course, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, ring my bell for further notifications of my next video. Again, for in-ear monitors, I am using the Shure PSM300. First, use a 1/4 inch to XLR cable and connect the PSM300 to mix bus 3. The first thing we must do is scan for a wireless group and channel to use to connect the body pack to the PSM transmitter. When you purchase an in-ear monitor from Shure, they have recommendations for frequency bands in different parts of the country. My systems are using J13. Be sure to check into this before you purchase your equipment. To sync the body pack with the transmitter off, perform a group scan on the body pack by pressing and holding the scan button until it starts scanning. Take note of the results, hit the exit button, hit the enter button 3 times on the body pack, and then use the arrows to select the group. Hit enter, the cursor should move over to the channel. Use the arrows to select the channel. Hit enter. Your group and channel should appear in the window. Now turn on your transmitter. Hold the group button in on the transmitter until it starts flashing. Use the group button to match the body pack. When the screen stops flashing, hold in on the channel button until it starts flashing. Then use the channel button to match the body pack. Wait until it stops flashing and your body pack is now paired to the transmitter. If you're going to add a second body pack to the same receiver, manually set the group and channel on the body pack. Then I pan the first body pack to the left and the second body pack to the right. Use a separate 1/4 inch XLR cord to connect to a different mix bus, like bus 4. Now you have 2 mono in-ear monitors with 1 transmitter. Now that we are connected, we can use the X32 mix and create a monitor mix. Or better yet, the performer can use their iPhone with MXQ and create their own personal mix. That is my presentation on in-ear monitors using the Behringer X32 rack and X32 mix on the iPad or MXQ on the iPhone, along with the Shure PSM300 transmitter and body packs. Again, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and ring my bell to receive notifications of my next video in a series for the Behringer X32 rack. Thanks, I'm Kevin with KLM Audio.